What's up guys, welcome back for today's video. For today's video now I go show you how to take sew abeti cap. So this one will be actual okay, use ordinary material to form this one. So if you go like learn something like this step by step, the way I take do am is make sure say follow to the end, then I can show you step by step. So what will be the first way we go first use? And you go need to use our 60. I go like use 60 for this one. So go use color step, but 60 sef go do the work. Wetin we just do now be just double the stock. So na 60 we go use, then this material we wan use for the abeti wey we wan sew. So wetin I just draft here na the measurement of the cap wey we wan use, how I wan make am be. So wetin I just use the measurement, so the measurement head is 23. So 23 now divide 23 into 2. Then 1/2 wey give us now, you go add like 1 inch to am, so that will give us 12 1/2. So that 12 1/2 now I mark on this side now. So now I take cut this thing. So how I take cut am like be say I fold am like this, then give me wetin I want. Cut the measurement, the head measurement wey we use 23, then you add 1 inch to am, that's all. So wetin I do this height now, depend how I wan make him go up, but me I prefer this height. So this height now na 6 inches. 6 inches is okay. Now be the minimum wey you go fit use, or if you make am reduce, depend on maybe na adult, if na small pikin wey you use am come down. So this side now, from that 6 I come up by maybe, if you come up by 6 1/2, or this one na 6.8 na dey there. So then wetin I just carve am straight, so nothing much about this thing when I just use, but I no wan make this thing dey 4 corner like this. So I wan make him carve, I wan give am shape here. So na like this we go do am. I no wan make him dey straight. So the next way we go just do now, we just cut am like this. But if you like your own straight like this, if you leave am. So the reason why I dey double, I will cut this in double, because this material we wan use no dey thick. If na ashoke we use now, the ashoke go strong, then maybe we just gum this one like light one there. But this one I need to double this one so that I go make am strong. So the next thing I will just cut the many stay when I wan use. So I will cut this one like 3 more, that is make am 4. So you need to into 2 sides, because this thing na 4 pieces you go need to cut, because you need to double and make am 4 pieces now. So wetin we go do now be say we gum am 2 2. So wetin the essence of this now, we just make am dey thick. So this one sef we gum am like this. So after I gum am finish, I will come back then show you the next thing we go do. So after we don gum this, the 2 of them, I don gum this one too. So the 2 of them go do like this. After they like this now, so it's the next we go do now. Just material we go take turn am, because you no fit just do am like this now. You need to turn the material. You see am now. So I wan use this material take turn am. You see now. So based on say this material now no dey thick, so if I wan turn am, after I don turn am finish, na this one go dey inside. If I wan carry am go up, here no go dey thick. So wetin I go do be say I go need to gum this part now. Go gum am half, even though say na just one thickness of this thing. Go gum am like this, just half. Then the other one I want to turn am sef, I go gum am too. So how with this one, I go use this one now take turn am as out. So I will start from here. Na this I go sew am. You sound like this. Then carve am small, e go stop here. So this part now, you go use am turn am come out. So if I do this one like that, then I will do the same thing here. So after that, I will come iron am. You turn am finish, you will come iron. After ironing, then I will show you how you go take join the to get the accurate the measurement wey we use start. So after we don do that thing finish now, I don gum the inside, that place wey I tell you. Then I wan gum am, I don turn am already. I don iron am too. So wetin we do say that place wey we double, wey dey double, then we gum the stay wey dey double. Then the other side wey dey double too. Then we go do am like this. We dey on top their self like this. So the next way we go do now, we see our head 23 divided by 2 give us 11 1/2. So now 11 1/2 now you go divide into 2 here. And you go take arrange am like this one. So and the final part be this. We mark the 11 1/2 here. We mark the 11 1/2 here. So now with this one, so wetin I just do be say I'll go my machine now, then measure am well. I use am take show exactly the our head measurement. So wetin I go do, where I dey turn am na im be this side, so we go sew am like this round, then we go cut this side, then weave am. So na im be the thing. So mind you, as you do am like this now, if you do total of the measurement wey we use for this length now na 13. So if you wan do your own, you fit make am like kind 14 or 14 and a half, e depend, but this one now is okay. So after doing that finish now, I go come back then show you the finishing of the this thing, then how you go take iron am well. So after I don sew am like this finish, so the next thing I go just turn am, because na the measurement wey reach within our measurement be that. So I go just turn am.
You covered head to toe. Amytex is the name. It's the only way to go. Got the best cloth on the market. Fresh. Well finished with a perfect stitch. We hit the target. And it's always affordable. That's right. Amytex clothing. Look this good for less.
Thing wey we go do here na to just fold this part. You see the thing strong well well because I double this inside one. If I no double am half like this, if I no gum this place now wey dey half, here no go, e go dey too light, but this matter I dey light on your own. So wetin I go do now, this place wey this thing end, yeah, well make sure say press iron this place well. So if you no iron this side well, e go dey fold, e go dey come down by itself. You go waste time on top this part. See I do, then fold the other side too. So you wan do like this now. Some people dey leave am like this. See side this thing dey now, but me go fold am like this. So that we fit complete. So the second side too, you go do am like this. So our cap don set now. You see am. So na this e go be. E just depend how you wan make him dey. Some people fit do am like this again, but like this e dey okay. Make we just leave am like this. So make sure say subscribe. I will see you in my next video.